Hey guys, what's up? It's Giselle Jackson and I sing first alto on the Kingdom Praise Choir. So guess what? On February 29, 2020, the Kingdom Praise Choir will be at Clarkstown Seventh-day Adventist Church for their grand music day in Trelawney. So artists such as Gamel Grant, Carey Sales, Kiefer Davis, and many more will be there. Kingdom Praise will be there. So should you. Make it a date and don't be late. See ya.